Let me be honest. Most startup ideas don't fail because they're bad. They fail because nobody actually wanted them. Not liked them. Not clapped for them. Not said it sounds interesting. Wanted them enough to pay, commit, or change behavior. So instead of spending months building, pitching, or polishing slides, I tested a simple validation method in just 7 days to answer one brutal question. Is this idea real, or am I emotionally attached to it? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did each day, what worked, what didn't, and how you can replicate this without code, investors, or a large audience. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most founders validate ideas by asking friends, hosting polls, getting compliments, or collecting email signups with zero friction. That's not validation. That's social reassurance. Real validation answers 3 things. Is the problem painful enough? Do people actively want a solution? Will they give up something real to get it? So I designed a 7-day test that forces real signals, not opinions. On day 1, I didn't write a product description. I wrote one sentence. I am helping specific person solve specific painful problem when specific situation. Example, crossmark. I'm building a platform for SMEs, white heavy checkmark. I'm helping small business owners who constantly run out of cash before month-end understand where their money actually goes. Why this matters? People don't buy ideas. They buy relief from pain they already feel. If you can't explain the problem in one clear sentence, the idea is not ready. Instead of asking people hypothetical questions, I went where the pain already existed. That meant Reddit threads, Twitter replies, LinkedIn comments, WhatsApp groups, YouTube comment sections. I looked for complaints, repeated frustrations. I wish there was. Does anyone know how to? I copied exact phrases people used. Why? Because their language is better than your marketing. If you can't find people already talking about the problem, it's either not urgent or not real. This is where most founders overthink. I did not build anything. I created a simple one-page description, a Notion page, /Google Doc, /Canva landing page, one clear promise, one clear action. The page said, what the solution helps with, who it's for, what changes after using it, and one button. Get early access or book a call. Important, I didn't lie. I didn't overpromise. I clearly said, this is an early concept. Validation doesn't require deception, it requires clarity. Friends are useless for validation. So on day 4, I shared the page with people who didn't know me, communities where the problem already existed, short, non-sleazy messages. Example message. I'm exploring a solution for people struggling with X. I'm not selling anything yet. Just trying to see if this problem resonates. Would love your honest take. What I tracked. Did they ignore it? Did they ask questions? Did they click? Did they reply emotionally? Silence is data. Confusion is data. Curiosity is data. This is the most important day. I asked for something that cost them. A 15-minute call, a wait list with a real use case, a small prepayment, or detailed answers to hard questions. Why? Because attention without cost is meaningless. If people say, this is great, but won't commit time, warning sign. I'd use this someday, warning sign. Keep me posted, warning sign. Real validation sounds like, when can we start? How much will this cost? Can this work for my situation? By day 6, I wasn't counting likes. I was looking for repeated objections, similar questions, the same confusion, points, the same emotional reactions. That's where the real product lives. Often, what people respond to is not the idea you started with, but the version they need. Validation is not about being right. It's about being corrected early. On day 7, I asked myself 3 questions. Did strangers understand the problem immediately? Did at least some people commit something real? Did I learn enough to improve the idea clearly? If the answer was no, I didn't force it. I killed or pivoted the idea without guilt. Because killing a bad idea early is progress, not failure. Here's what this method gave me. Clarity instead of guessing, evidence instead of hope, confidence without external validation. Most founders don't fail because they move too slowly. They fail because they move blindly. If you validate properly, building becomes obvious. If you're sitting on an idea right now and you don't know whether to build, pitch, or quit, try this 7-day test. And if you want, tell me in the comments, what idea are you validating? Or which day feels hardest for you?